Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Is this the right time to invest? A question I keep getting asked time and again. Investors want to get their timing right when they start investing itself. But the real question which an investor should ask right now is, which is the right place to invest? Because at all points in time we have a need to invest. We have savings and the savings must be invested gainfully. We cannot idle savings. So choosing the right place should be our priority. But instead, most of us obsess about choosing the right time. In that process, we ignore the right places because we are fixated on one place, which could be equity, and we want to be told that it is the right time to invest in equity exactly when we want to invest. Now, this is not easy because there are times when it is not the right time to invest in equity. There are times when it is the right time to invest in only a very narrow part of the equity market, leaving out most of the equity market. I would say the present market is one such market context. And there are times when you can invest in equity and wherever you invest, you are quite alright. You're safe to invest. That is when you have those bare faces when nobody wants to look at equity. This question, is this the right time to invest, is not restricted to equity. It's as much a question you have to ask of every asset class. You have to ask yourself the question of gold. You have to raise that question for debt, and you must not forget to ask that question for real estate. So every asset class should be asked that question. But the answer that you get should at least make you invest in one of these many asset classes. So instead of asking that question in one asset class, ask that question of multiple asset classes so that you get a favorable answer in one or more asset classes. Once you get those answers, you have your choices lined up and you have your options. You know how much money to invest, and you can go ahead and invest in that asset class which you think is safe to invest at that particular point in time. So what happens to my dream to invest in equity? Well, you can always go back to it when it is the right time to invest in that part of the equity market which you want to invest. Suppose you want to invest in small cap, this is not the right time. So put your money in a liquid fund and wait. Or you can put your money in gold and wait. Or you can put your money in a mix of the two and wait. The key word is invest in the right asset class and wait for the right time to invest in the asset class that you want to invest. Avoid investing when it is not the right time in that asset class. Don't avoid investing itself. So invest where it is the right time and place to invest. The key change between the question I raised in the beginning, which is it the right time to invest, would be at this point, which is the right place to invest. Are you asking yourself that question? You should. Thank you for watching this video.